This isn't one of those fancy cafe reviews with curated plates and perfect lighting. This is just a short errand. A small bakery in Angeles, no big signage, no hype. But people keep talking about their meat pies. Quietly, like it's something you're supposed to discover on your own. So today, I'm taking a quick detour to Fred's to see if good food really doesn't need to shout to be heard. Sometimes, the best bites are the ones hiding in plain sight. I don't know if this place is overhyped or underrated, but we're about to find out. So this started as a simple errand. A quick stop in Angeles to try the meat pies from Fred's. Nothing fancy, just good food that people quietly recommend. But like most errands these days, it didn't end with just food. Somewhere between the bites, I had to stop by the pharmacy too. Maintenance pills for my nerves. Not something dramatic, just part of getting older. Part of taking care of yourself, whether you feel like it or not. And it got me thinking, it's the new year. We talk a lot about plans, goals, uploads, schedules. But I want to make quieter promises this time. To be more present. To stay connected to people, even when life gets busy. To not miss moments just because I'm chasing the next idea. This isn't a reset. It's just a reminder. Good food, healthy choices, honest promises. Pies, pills, and promises. Yo, happy weekend! It's Friday! And nakailaw yung gas indicator natin. Happy Friday, Papa James! Don't worry, papagasa tayo dito sa Enoch. Tapos na yung holidays, pero andito pa rin yung mga pailaw ng Balite. Itong stretch na to, MacArthur Highway ng Balite, Barangay Baliti. Yan. They're not actually balete trees. Acacia. Wow. Acacia trees. Kaya mahina lang yung mga branches niyan. Pero pagka wala namang ulan-ulan, hindi naman sila hazardous. Yan. Actually, bibigay sila ng shade. At saka pagka ganyang holidays, they have decors. Yan. Lanterns. Nice, di ba? Paggas muna tayo ng Enoch bago tayo maggala-gala because it's a Friday. Okay, we're here. Doon tayo sa Super Eco. Ay, 200 Eco 95. Yeah. Yo, go. Okay, let's go. Yo. Night ride tayo. It's a Friday. Woo, lamig. Ang lamig. May nagsabi sa akin na this year daw parang malayo yung Earth sa Sun. I don't know how true it's that, but theory is mas malamig daw ngayong taon. Well, some parts of it kasi nga habang malayo yung Earth sa Sun. Let's enjoy the cold weather. Kakatapos lang ng holidays. Kumusta naman celebrations nyo? For the new year, naghanda si Mrs. ng apple pie. Ang sarap. Nabitin ako actually. So, the past few days, I've been craving for some comfort food. And, sakto naman, panood ko yung vlog ni Casual Riding TV. Nag-ride sila to Angeles and then tried out yung bumili sila dun sa Fred's Pies. Pero itong pies ni Mang Fred's, hindi lang sila mga yung usual na sweets, pastries na apple pie, mango pie, mga ganon. Meron sila meat pies. Fred is an Australian, I believe, na dito na siya namalagi, and then opened up this pie store. So they bake breads, pies, and kung ano-ano pang tawag doon. Parang meron ako nakita, I don't know the name, pero yung lasagna parang croquette. Parang embutido siya na lasagna. Mukha rin masarap eh. And yung pricing nila is okay, affordable. Like for a pie, dun sa nakita kong post is around 100 pesos. Yun, mga ganun lang sila. Sa portion naman, parang generous naman yung portions. They're open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So, ayan. We're hoping na bukas pa sila habang nakikipagbuno tayo dito sa Angeles traffic. Ayun, since I'm craving for comfort food, let's try out Fred's. Hindi kung okay siya, magaling siyang i-take out. Take out natin and gawin natin pasalubong. Yo! So let's find where Fred is. Looking for Fred. I don't know if this place is overhyped or underrated, but we're about to find out. Magandang comfort food yung pies. Kaya siguro mayroong pie sa Jollibee saka sa McDo. Yeah, parang yung pies, as we know them, napauso sila, ayan, ng Australian at saka American. Pero ang mga Americans, more on, sumikat sa kanila yung American apple pie. American pie. Mga black Americans naman, laging narinig sa kanila yung pot pie. Sa Australia naman, parang mas sikat sa kanila yung meat pies. Mga meat. Yung pie pala, regarded sila sa coffin for food. Pero in a sense na they are made to preserve food. Kasi nung araw, syempre wala namang refrigerator nung araw. Isa sa mga paraan para ma-preserve nila yung pagkain is to stuff the food sa crust pies. That way, nasi-seal nila yung food dun sa loob ng pie. And may preserve nila. That's it, pansit. It's tough pala getting around this area ng Angeles kapag gabi. Wow! You know, itong Fred's, kung di lang dun sa vlog ni Casual Riding TV, I wouldn't have known itong Fred's na to. Sarap kumain. Sarap kumain kasi dun sa vlog eh. Kaya, we gotta try the pies. There's so much more na hindi ko pa na-explore dito sa sariling area namin. That's fun actually, di ba? Yung every now and then, meron ka na di-discover something new. This part of the city is known as the Korean town. Let me tell you something about discovering places. Lalo na dito sa sarili nating lugar. Just under our noses. Sometimes, mas nakaka-discover tayo if we just slow down. Most hidden places do not reveal themselves when we are rushing eh. Diba? Yung view, they just zoom past us kapag we're rushing. So the more you slow down, the more you discover. Minsan, you take a different street. Ibahin mo yung ruta mo. We don't always have to be efficient. Diba? Minsan, sa gustuhan natin maging efficient lagi, we miss out on a lot of things. Nalalampasan natin. So, minsan, take the longer route. The slower route. Minsan lang naman. Of course, minsan, mga friends natin may mga recommendations, diba? So, just listen to them. Paminsan, when you slow down, you have time for friends. At, doon sila nakapagsabi sa'yo, oh, try this out. Oh. Nakapunta ka na ba dito? Na-try mo na ba to? Meron din sila sinasabi na curiosity without expectation. Yung parang you're just exploring kasi you want to find out. You don't need to find out if it's worth it. You just explore. Yun lang talaga siya. It is its own reward. You don't hype it up. You're also okay with being wrong. And you just let the experience be what it is. Ganun lang siya. Tulad ito, friends. Try lang natin. And curiosity beats expectation every time. Lapit na daw tayo. There. Oh yeah. Yo. We're here.
After the pie, I had to make another stop, the pharmacy. Maintenance pills for my nerves. Nothing dramatic, just one of those quiet decisions you make when you realize you don't have to wait until something breaks.
So we got the pies. Next errand natin is get the pills. I guess when you reach 40, totoo yun na marami ka nang mararamdaman sa katawan mo. So this is me just being 40-ish. I have to buy some pills para sa maintenance ng ating nerves. And the thing is, medyo specialized ata tong pills na pinrescribe sa akin eh. Try natin sa butika before we head back home. This year kasi, or every year naman, I take extra focus with health. Ayaw natin kasi later on in life, di ba? Puro na tayo, bumbero mode na tayo, nagpapatay na tayo ng sunog. As much as possible, ngayon pa lang, i-maintain na natin siya. So if we can do something about our health condition now, which I'm attempting to do ngayon, malaking bagay na rin yun. So that, come retirement years natin, ma-enjoy pa natin yung buhay na yun. So enough with reaction, and go tayo with maintenance. So we listen to our body before it forces us to listen.
Maintaining your health is just one of those things you casually talk about now. You mention it to friends, they nod. Ah, ikaw din pala. Different pills, same story. This is that stage where taking care of yourself isn't a big announcement. It's just maintenance. Like changing oil. You don't wait for the engine to fail.
Kayo ba, ano ng mga maintenance pills nyo? Meron na rin ba kayo? Ako nasa stage na ako na ganun eh. Parang ang kwentuhan namin mga tropa. Uy, pumayat ka. Anong iniinom mo? Or anong bawal sa'yo? Napaka-concern na sa health. Tapos na yung mga araw ng yosi-yosi, vape-vape. Tapos na ako doon.
This is, kita ba? Mercury drug.
When health becomes maintenance, you start choosing more carefully what you give energy to. That's where the promises come in. Not the loud ones. Not the kind you post on January 1st. Just quieter decisions. Being more present when I'm with people. Replying instead of postponing. Putting the camera down when the moment matters more. Because getting busy is easy. Staying connected takes intention. This year, I'm choosing where my energy goes and who gets the best of it.
It's the new year. And syempre, panahon ng mga New Year's resolutions. And if there's just one simple promise that I'd like to make to myself, is just to take care of myself more. Kasi if you do that, you'll be more capable of taking care of your loved ones, diba? So, choose healthier, choose safer, make good choices. Well, that's a challenge. Gusto ko sana doable, small promises ang gawin natin this year. Promises that we can definitely keep. Sabi nga nila, don't make promises you can't keep. Kung kaya mong gawin yon sa ibang tao, dapat mas kaya mong gawin sa sarili mo, diba? Dalas kasi sinasacrifice natin lagi yung sarili natin. Aray ko. Relate ba? Napakadali nating i-put down, i-let down, i-sacrifice yung sarili natin, diba? It's time na ibang diskarte naman. Sarili mo naman. May perspective na hindi ka naman selfish for doing that. As long as hindi lang yun ang ginagawa mo. Diba? Kapag yun lang alam mong gawin, may diferensya ka. Ang sarap ng mga night runs na ganito Pang mapapadalas tayo. Lamig. Enjoy natin habang malamig. Kayo ba, anong promises nyo this year? Huwag na masyadong mag-arbo. Yung simple na lang. Huwag masyadong complicated. Mas maganda, doable. Ay, ganda talagang pang stroll nitong Beso Sprint 150. I love it. Pagka gusto mo ng power, may power siya. Diba? So, thank you for riding with me tonight. Ang sarap. Gawin natin ito mas madalas. Kwentuhan tayo habang malamig yung stroll natin. Thank you so much for riding with me today. Hinahanap natin si Friends at sa pharmacy. And of course, sa kwentuhan natin about promises. A message lang naman natin for this year's resolutions and whatnots, that love yourself naman. Huwag mong kalimutan siya. You'll discover a lot of things. You'll be capable of a lot of things. Tingin ko, mas magiging capable ka magmahal na ibang tao. Ayy!
This year, let's keep everything healthy and honest. Just like our pies, pills, and promises.
Waiting for the weekend, waiting for some reason. Take my heart and keep it, trying to stay off of the deep And I'm living, starting to feel like I'm dreaming. Working so hard, but there's people always sleeping. Never ever plan to quit when the weekends, 'cause I'm reaching my dreams.